Welcome back to the Military System channel. Before watching, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Enjoy watching. The MQ-9 Reaper, also known as the Predator B, is an unmanned aircraft that has revolutionized the way modern militaries carry out surveillance, intelligence, and precision strike operations. Since its first introduction, the MQ-9 Reaper has been the mainstay of the United States Air Force, USAF, and its allied partners in maintaining global security and stability. Designed to face threats in the 21st century, the Reaper is not only an eye in the sky but also a strong hand in responding to threats quickly and effectively. History and development. The development of the MQ-9 Reaper began in the early 2000s by General Atomics Aeronautical Systems as a development of its predecessor, the MQ-1 Predator. The Predator, although successful in its mission, had limitations in terms of payload, speed, and endurance. Therefore, the Reaper was designed to address these shortcomings by increasing the ability to carry weapons, maximum speed, and endurance in the air. In 2007, the MQ-9 Reaper was officially operated by the USAF, and has since been used in various military operations around the world. This aircraft is renowned for its ability to carry out precision strikes using various types of weapons, such as Hellfire missiles and laser-guided bombs. Design and technical specifications. The MQ-9 Reaper has a design that reflects the need for aerodynamic efficiency and multi-role capabilities. With a length of about 11 meters and a wingspan of 20 meters, the Reaper has a slender profile that allows it to fly at a maximum speed of about 300 km/h and an operational altitude of up to 15,000 meters. Powered by a Honeywell TPE 331-10 turboprop engine, the Reaper has an extraordinary flight endurance, with a mission duration of up to 27 hours non-stop. One of the main advantages of the MQ-9 Reaper is its weapon load capacity. This aircraft is equipped with 6 hardpoints that allow it to carry a payload of up to 1,700 kilograms. In addition to its attack capabilities, the Reaper is also equipped with a sophisticated surveillance system. This aircraft uses the AN/APY-8 Lynx II radar, which is capable of detecting and tracking moving targets with high precision. In addition, electro-optical and infrared (EO/IR) sensors mounted under the aircraft's nose provide surveillance and reconnaissance capabilities in poor weather conditions or at night. Role and function in military operations. The MQ-9 Reaper has proven itself as a versatile platform in various military operations. Its main role is in surveillance, reconnaissance, and precision strike missions. In surveillance missions, the Reaper is used to gather intelligence by observing enemy movements, identifying potential targets, and providing real-time data to troops in the field. In reconnaissance missions, the Reaper is often used to monitor large areas that are difficult for ground troops to reach. This aircraft can fly high above the area of operation without being detected by the enemy, while continuing to transmit intelligence data to the command center. This capability is very important in counterterrorism operations and asymmetric warfare, where accurate and timely intelligence information is the key to mission success. However, the most well-known role of the MQ-9 Reaper is as a precision strike platform. In this context, the Reaper is used to strike strategic targets while minimizing civilian casualties and collateral damage. Strengths and challenges. The main advantages of the MQ-9 Reaper are its ability to operate for long periods, at high altitudes, and with a significant weapons payload. This combination makes the Reaper ideal for surveillance and strike missions in a variety of terrain and weather conditions. Global use and future. The MQ-9 Reaper has been widely used by the United States military and its allied partners around the world. Among the countries that use the Reaper are the United Kingdom, France, Italy, and Spain. Each country uses the Reaper for a variety of purposes, from counter-terrorism operations to border surveillance and tracking smuggling. Moving forward, further development of the MQ-9 Reaper is expected to focus on improving its sensor capabilities, endurance, and autonomy. Its manufacturer, General Atomics, has announced plans to develop a more advanced variant with improved strike and surveillance capabilities. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Don't forget to watch the next video.